What is right is not always popular, and what is popular is not always right. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. Not everything that can be counted counts, and not everything that counts can be counted. The only source of knowledge is experience. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Never give up on what you really want to do. The person with big dreams is more powerful than the one with all the facts. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life coming attractions. The moon does not simply disappear when we are not looking at it. Without deep reflection, one knows from daily life that one exists for other people. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imaginations. All that is valuable in human society depends upon the opportunity for development accorded the individual. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. It's not that I'm so smart, it's just that I stay with problem longer. Weak people revenge, strong people forgive, intelligent people ignore. A man should look for what is and not for what he thinks should be. I never think of the future. It comes soon enough. The value of a man should be seen in what he gives and not in what he is able to receive. Nothing happens until something moves. If you want your children to be intelligent, read them fairy tales. If you want them to be more intelligent, read them more fairy tales. Imagination is the highest form of research. A clever person solves a problem. A wise person avoids it.